Hello students, today we will study next type of reaction of aldehyde and ketone, that is aldol condensation. This is important reaction of aldehyde and ketone. The condition for this reaction is aldehyde containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergo this reaction in the presence of dilute alkali like dilute NaOH or dilute KOH or Na2CO3. This act as a catalyst. In this reaction, the product obtained is beta hydroxyaldehyde. It is commonly called as aldol because in this reaction, this aldol contains aldehyde and alcohol functional group, and this reaction is called as a aldol reaction. Formation of an aldol is addition type of reaction. Aldol form from aldehyde having alpha hydrogen atom undergo subsequent elimination of water molecule by warming gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now we will study the equation. Here the equation is equation is here this is two molecules of aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom when treated with NaOH, aqueous NaOH, then here the formation of aldol take place, that is alpha carbon atom of one aldehyde get bonded to carbonyl carbon of other aldehyde. That carbonyl group becomes OH group and other carbonyl group in aldehyde remains the same. The product obtained is called as aldol, and when we remove this water molecule from this aldehyde, that is aldol, then we get alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Why it is alpha beta? Because this is a carbonyl carbon. Next to carbonyl carbon is called as alpha. Next one is beta carbon. So between alpha and beta carbon there is a double bond, and therefore this is called as a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now the particular example, this is ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, one molecule, and the second molecule of ethanol, so it contains alpha carbon. Now this carbonyl carbon of one aldehyde get bonded to alpha carbon of other aldehyde in the presence of dilute NaOH, and we get this product that is called as a 3-hydroxybutanol. It is 3-hydroxybutanol. It is a IUPAC name of this aldol. Here this aldol form, this aldol immediately loses one water molecule by heating and gives alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is here the name is but2-enol. It contains aldehyde group, alpha beta unsaturated carbon, and this CH3 group. So total carbon atoms are 4, double bond between second and third carbon, therefore but2 in Al, that is aldehyde. So overall reaction is called as a aldol condensation reaction. it is a nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. So this example we had studied for this aldehyde. Now we will study similar example for ketone. So ketone containing at least 2 alpha hydrogen atom undergo this aldol condensation reaction and give alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Here the reaction is, this is propanone, that is dimethyl ketone containing 6 alpha hydrogen atoms. When reaction take place in the presence of barium hydroxide, then we get this ketol, and name of this ketol is 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentan 2-ONE. So it is a 6 carbon containing ketol. When it is heated, then it loses water molecule. Elimination of water molecule take place. At alpha and beta carbon, there is a formation of double bond. So it is 4-methyl pent 3 in 2-ONE. So this product is obtained from this ketone. So we had studied now a similar, that is 2 molecules of aldehyde, same aldehyde, or 2 molecules of same ketone undergo this reaction, that is called as a aldol condensation or ketol condensation. Now we will study this different molecules of aldehyde or different molecules of ketone, they undergo the similar type of reaction, and that is called as a cross aldol condensation reaction. So cross aldol condensation refers to the aldol condensation that take place between two different aldehydes or ketones. If both aldehydes or both ketones contain 2 alpha hydrogen atom each, then the mixture of 4 products will be formed. For example, a mixture of ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, and propanol, that is a 3 carbon containing aldehyde, when treated with dilute alkali and it is followed by heating, then it gives the mixture of 4 products. So this reaction is shown in figure 12.5. So this is cross aldol condensation reaction between ethanol and propanol. We will see this reaction, how these final products are formed by self and cross aldol condensation reaction. So this reaction shows a reaction between ethanol and propanol. See this reaction, aldol condensation reaction. So this is molecule of ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, and this is molecule of propanol. When treated with dilute NaOH followed by heating, it undergoes a reaction between similar two molecules, that is called as a self aldol condensation. It gives the product that is but2-enol and 2-methyl pent2-enol. So these are the self aldol condensation products, means similar molecules of, that is 2 molecules of ethanol or 2 molecules of propanol react and gives these products after elimination of water molecule. Then 1 molecule of ethanol and 1 molecule of propanol undergo this reaction and gives the cross aldol condensation product. It is 2-methyl but2-enol and pent2-enol. So these are the two products obtained by cross aldol condensation between ethanol and propanol. Now, ketone can also be used as one of the component in the aldol condensation. So we can use aldehyde or ketone or both aldehyde or both ketone for this aldol condensation reaction. So that is about the aldol condensation reaction. Now, the next type of reaction is Cannizzarose reaction. This is again important reaction of aldehyde and ketone. It is having the exactly opposite conditions to that of aldol condensation, first we will study the conditions for this Cannizzoro's reaction. So Cannizzoro's reaction conditions are this aldehyde containing do not containing alpha hydrogen atom undergo self oxidation reduction reaction. This aldehyde that do not containing alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes self oxidation and reduction reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. Remember here, for aldol condensation, we had used dilute alkali. Now, for this Cannizzoro's reaction, we will use here concentrated alkali. This concentrated means we can say here 50% NaOH or 50% KOH. So this is example of disproportionation reaction. So in Cannizzoro's reaction, one molecule of aldehyde get reduced to alcohol. At the same time, second molecule of aldehyde get oxidized into carboxylic acid salt. For example, formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, they do not contain alpha hydrogen atom and they show this Cannizzoro's reaction. See this example, this is formaldehyde. Two molecules take part in the reaction. When treated with 50% sodium hydroxide, when this mixture is heated, then one molecule of this formaldehyde get oxidized into carboxylic acid sodium salt, that is called as a sodium formate, and other molecule get reduced into primary alcohol, that is methanol here. Then the next example of this Cannizzoro's reaction is with benzaldehyde. Here the benzaldehyde two molecules when treated with KOH in methanol, then one molecule of benzaldehyde undergo oxidation and converted into carboxylic acid potassium salt called as a potassium benzoate, and other molecule get reduced into phenyl methanol or also called as a benzyl alcohol. So similar to aldol cross aldol condensation, here it is a cross Cannizzoro's reaction also. Here the cross Cannizzoro's reaction take place between two different aldehyde and that do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. That is, when mixture of formaldehyde and non-enolizable aldehyde, that is aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen atom, is treated with strong base like concentrated NaOH, then formaldehyde is oxidized into formic acid and then converted into sodium formate, and non-enolizable aldehyde, that is a benzaldehyde, it is reduced to alcohol. So the formic acid forms sodium formate with NaOH. On acidification, sodium formate is converted into formic acid. And the reaction is, this is formaldehyde. When mixture of formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, it is heated with concentrated NaOH in the presence of this H3O plus, that is further hydrolysis in second step. So we get here phenyl methanol, that is reduced product, and oxidized product is formic acid. Here formic acid product is given because in the second step we had hydrolyzed the sodium salt in the presence of H3O plus, that is acid. So that is the Cannizzoro's reaction of aldehyde that do not contain this alpha hydrogen atom. Thank you.